This is the view the next day. My sister wants to say something. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a Okinawa day in my life, day 2. I filmed a day 1 yesterday, which is the day I arrived in Okinawa. And I'm currently in the bedroom I did not sleep in last night, because there's like 3 bedrooms, actually 4, in this Airbnb. This is the view the next day. It's more sunny. Yesterday was so gloomy. So yeah, the ocean color is so blue, so pretty. Really blue ocean. So pretty. Today's breakfast, that's mine, but it's a little burnt. And fruits, peach, orange, and mixed fruit. So yeah, it started raining. So we're gonna go make glass after we go to the temple. We're doing that today. Sorry, I just left my phone. So we're gonna snack on this chocolate we got from the 7-Eleven yesterday. This is what the chocolate looks like. So we just parked near the temple, but it's raining a lot, see? Actually can't really tell, on the window. But then we're gonna just wait in the car for a little bit for the rain to stop and then go. We're running to the convenience store to get an umbrella because it's raining really hard. There's an entire Muji section in the convenience store. Even stationaries and socks. Umbrellas. My umbrella. It's a small one. Raining. Can't really tell. It's raining a lot. Maybe you could hear the sound. Got my umbrella. That's the castle we're heading to. Right there. Now you see the rain. We're going to the Shuri Castle, not the park, but it's the same direction. Ducky! Look, ducky! Why is it blurry? There we go. Very Japan-like. This entire place. Oh, and a group of ducks. These are called sand from the stars, or star sands, actually. And it brings you good luck. It's really cute. I'm gonna get one of each color. I got the green and white one with a pink flower. Got the, what is it called? The Okinawa salt cookies ice cream flavor. It's really creamy and it has a little bit of a salt kick. So it's really good. It's a very good contrast. This is inside the Shuri Castle. That's the actual castle inside. We just entered through the gate. Castle entrance. Well, we went in, but the second one. The view is so nice. Third entrance. Okay, so for the third entrance, you're not allowed to step on this bar. We just came in from there. Under construction, but this is a temple. This side here. This temple was burnt down in 2019 and we don't know why, so it's under construction. That clothes is like the traditional clothes where Okinawans wear. Yeah. Look at that! This leaf looks like the one Totoro would use as an umbrella. Heading to the observation deck. So we finished visiting Shurijo, so we're gonna go to lunch. My sister wants to say something. Restaurant we're gonna eat at. It's kind of hard to get into. So we're gonna see menu. Just arrived at the glass making area here. So pretty, colorful. It doesn't look real. Stained glasses though. Tree roots. Better view of it. Means welcome. Glassworks. This is where we're at. These glass is for a festival, Japanese festival called Hinamatsuri. We're going to the glass workshop. There's a house made of glass, stained glass. These are all glass too. Workshop. We could make anything from here. These are the samples we could make. These are the options you could do. I decided to do this one instead of a photo frame. It's like just a statue and I don't know, sand inside. I got these charms, a mushroom, a palm tree with banana, and some fish. Apparently you could use more than one color, so I'm going to do the entire side here. White, blue, and green. The color sands I'm going to have and charms. This is the final product. So right now I finished making the glass statue kind of thing, and we're gonna go to Kokusai to go shopping and eat dinner.